Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, let me introduce myself. My name is Nabila SN with my ID number 8241240019. In this video, I will explain the example problem that I mentioned in my previous presentation. The example is, calculate the capacitance in microfarad of the network of capacitors shown in figure 24.15. Okay, uh, the known. First, we identify the known values from the circuit. A capacitor in the circuit have the same capacitance, which is 10 microfarad. C1 or capacitance 1 equals capacitance 2 equals capacitance 3 equals capacitance 4 equals 10 microfarad. And then from the circuit diagram, we observe that the two capacitors in the middle are connected in parallel, while the left and the right capacitors are connected in series with the parallel combination. The two is required. The quantity we need to find is the total capacitance of the circuit. Therefore, the total capacitance C total is unknown. The next is solution. Step 1, we calculate the capacitance of the parallel capacitor. For capacitor connect in parallel, the formula is C parallel equals capacitor 1 plus capacitor 2. And then C parallel equals 10 microfarad plus 10 microfarad. Therefore, the parallel capacitance equal 20 microfarad. Okay, after simplifying, the circuit becomes 10 microfarad in series with 20 microfarad in series and with 10 microfarad too. The next, we calculate the total capacitance for series capacitor. For capacitor connect in series, the formula is 1 over total capacitance equals 1 over capacitance 1 plus 1 over capacitance 2 plus 1 over capacitance 3. We can substitute the values equals 1 over 10 plus 1 over 20 plus 1 over 10. Okay, and in step 3, we use a common denominator. We use the common denominator. 1 over 10 is equal to 2 over 20. Therefore, the equation becomes 2. The equals become 2 over 20 plus 1 over 20 plus 2 over 20. Step 4, adding all fraction together give 5 over 20. Simpling 1 over 4. And then the final result, the total capacitance equals 4 microfarads. Therefore, after simplifying the parallel and series capacitor combination, the total capacitance of the circuit is 4 microfarad. This result shows that the arrangement of capacitors significantly affect the equivalent capacitance of the network. Thus, the problem has been solved systematically using the parallel and series capacitor formula. And alright, That concludes my explanation of problem number 1. Based on the calculation using parallel and series capacitors formula, the total capacitance of the circuit is 4 microfarad. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.